Find a comfortable seated position that feels natural to you. Allow your eyes to gently close, taking a few deep breaths. Be present with the inflow and outflow of your breath, settling into this moment. You are here now. Notice any tension in your body. Maybe you're feeling stiffness in your neck. Maybe you're curling your toes. Wherever you may feel this tension, just notice it without judgment or wanting to change it. Focus on your breath and imagine directing its energy to any region in your body that feels tense. As you exhale, consciously relax this area, breathing out stress and discomfort. Stay with your breath as it cleanses and nourishes every cell. Try asking yourself, why am I feeling this tension? And notice what your mind comes up with. Maybe you've been stressed due to work, a recent argument with someone, or just feeling that you're not enough. Whatever it is, just observe it and say to yourself, this is a moment of suffering, but it's okay. It's part of being human. Consider that all humans fail, make mistakes, and struggle in life. It is part of our shared human experience. You are not alone, though it may sometimes feel that way. Whatever you are feeling, someone else has felt it before. Whatever you're experiencing, someone else has experienced it before. Acknowledge that you too wish to be happy and to avoid suffering. Recognize that, like all people, you have faced difficulties and challenges in life. There may have been times when you caused harm to yourself or others, whether intentionally or not, but you know better now. Say to yourself, I am worth taking care of. I wish happiness and well being to all the people I love, just as I wish them onto myself. Now, imagine you are speaking to a part of yourself that is in need of healing. Softly repeat to yourself, I am a work in progress. I am enough the way I am right now. I am patient with my flaws. I make mistakes like all humans, and that's okay. I am ready to grow, to be a more kind and compassionate human being, and the best way to start is by being kind to myself. With each breath, imagine your chest getting more and more warm. Feel the kindness and compassion you wish upon your loved ones, covering your own body like a cozy blanket. When your mind wanders, simply bring it back to the present moment. This is all you have, all that matters right now. Softly say to yourself, I accept myself exactly as I am in this moment. All of my experiences are okay. May I feel safe and protected. May I forgive myself and move forward. I am worthy. When you feel ready, take a deeper breath. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes. Carry with you this feeling of lightness and kindness.